What's going on, everybody? As you see, it's dark outside. I got a surprise for y'all. I've been wanting to do this for y'all for a while now. If you know what I'm going to do, leave it in the comments. Some of you may know. We're going to mess with the fire truck a little bit here. I have said in the previous videos, I got some terminals for the battery. I haven't put them on yet. I'm not going to do it tonight. I'm going to use the old ones. We're going to hook the battery up. And guess what? We're going to play with the lights and the sirens. It's dark. What's no better time to do it than right now? So let's do it. Woohoo! Alright, got the battery hooked up with the old terminals. We'll get those new ones on soon. Yeah, this thing is sweet. $19.65. Otter Creek Volunteer Fire Department. 271. It's a Ford F-750. I did figure out the engine. It is a 391 big block. Alright, let's see if we got power. I hooked the battery up. And let me see here. Alright. Over here's the sirens. Up there's the sirens. Alright, let me get y'all set up. And we'll go from there. Got the lights on. That's so cool. I'm going to get y'all set up on the tripod and hit the sirens. So let's do it. That is so cool. Can you imagine seeing this back in like 1965, 1966? Cruising down the road to a fire. This truck is so cool. I've been wanting to do this video for y'all. You know, of course it has to be done at night. I need to turn all the lights on, the flashers and everything. Let's see if we can't figure those out. Alright, we're going to go turn the sirens on for a sec. That's so cool. What'd y'all think about that? That is bad to the bone. Did y'all like that? Look at them lights just going to town. Pretty dang cool. I'm just sitting here admiring these lights. We're gonna do a walk around. Pretty cool. I just wanted to share this with y'all. Because this is the first time I've seen them at night myself. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I think it's cool. I think it's so cool. Check it out. Alright, everybody. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment what you think about it. Have a great night, everybody. A little bonus footage for you. Just check how cool this thing is. Some people said there was some of these things down here like that right there is for the sirens. I'm gonna check them out. Just wanted to show y'all up close. And it's a 5-speed. Pretty cool, huh? Alright. We'll see you on the next one.